Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be working on wreaths for my carriage lights for the front of my house. I picked up 4 picks from the Dollar Tree, and I had the leftover ribbon from other projects. I start by preparing my picks. I want to take the tags off, fluff them up, get the leaves exactly where I want them. Next, I'm going to kind of play with my placement. I do put it in my hand before I tape them off with the floral tape. Once I know how I want to stagger and stack them, that's when I bring out the floral tape and I just keep going. I start with one, tape that off, and start adding, and then I will fluff as I go. I want to create 2 of these for each side of the bigger bow, and I try to make them identical. Okay, I have 1 down and 1 to go. I'm doing the same thing, I'm just staggering and stacking, and then I'm using the floral tape to tape them off, and I do fluff as I go. Okay, now that I have 2 of them ready to go, the next thing I'm going to do is make my bow. I did already make the bow for the top of the wreath, but I did want a smaller bow for the bottom half of the wreath. I am doing 2 loops of each of the ribbon that I have, and I'm going to use a zip tie and a pipe cleaner. I take the zip tie around the ribbon. Before I crank that down, I put the pipe cleaner in the back. This way I have a way to attach it to my wreath. Once I have attached the ribbon to my wreath, I just go around to the back, tie it off like a red tie, and tuck it back down, and then I trim up my ribbon tails. Now I'm going to add my florals to either side of the bigger bow. I simply zip tie them in. I feed it through the grapevine, zip tie it down, and fluff up my bow. I'm going to do the exact same to the other side, so I have 1 on each side of the bigger bow. This is my completed project. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.